Hi, I'm Bernie Thompson. I'm the founder of Pluggable Technologies. So we're excited to have two new USB Type-C devices that are launching. And both of them are interesting in that they are types of devices that we've already been selling for a long time. They're kind of top sellers as standard USB-A devices. And you can actually take an adapter like this one, which we sell, which is an A to C adapter, and take a Type A device and plug it in to your Type C port on your MacBook, and that will actually work very similarly to what I'm showing you today, except that what we have here are products where that is completely integrated. The USB Type C connector is directly connected, and it's a native Type C device as opposed to one using an adapter. So first one I wanted to show you is a USB Type-C card reader. There are actually at this point in time no other alternatives on the market for a USB card reader. So this is actually the very first USB card reader with native Type-C available for the MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, and other USB-C devices. So let's pop this open. So just a simple adapter there that supports SD cards and micro SD cards. It does not support compact flash. So I'm just going to get an SD card here and I'm going to plug that in. And then we'll take this and plug it into the MacBook, and what will happen is it should pop right up to a folder. So there we go. Plug that in. It reads the card on there and up pops a drive. And there are all the files on our memory card. So, if you have a digital camera or you have any other device that uses SD, micro SD, or other types of memory, you really haven't had a native way to connect that to the MacBook, which only has Type-C connectors and doesn't have any other card readers anywhere on it. And now with the pluggable card reader here, you've got a way to do that. So very nice, also good for kind of backup and storage. You can easily get SD cards that are 64 gig and even 128 gig. So in terms of backing up files on your MacBook or doing anything, these card readers are actually really convenient, and then the cards themselves are very inexpensive and, like I said, come in some really nice large capacities. Okay, so the other thing we wanted to show you today is the pluggable wired Ethernet adapter. So again, the MacBook does not have room here for a wired Ethernet connection. There's literally no way to plug this into a network. Well, a wired network is almost always going to be faster than a wireless alternative. And then there's also a lot of hotels and business environments where you simply just don't have Wi-Fi access, whether for security reasons or it just isn't available. So it's really nice to have this option to be able to plug it in wired. So we'll just pop this open. And again, a nice USB Type-C cable there. So I've got an Ethernet cable down here. We actually have Wi-Fi off right now, so if I open up a browser and try to go somewhere, it's going to say you are not connected to the internet. Go ahead and plug this in and plug it around here. And with the driver installed, you don't need to use the CD. You can just use the link that we provide when you order the product. This is the network control panel in Mac. And there you can see that it's connected, and back behind, up popped the page that I went to. So even when Wi-Fi isn't available, or when we want higher performance, the USB Type-C Ethernet adapter from Pluggable lets you get that connectivity. So there we go, the pluggable USB Type-C flash memory reader and the pluggable gigabit Ethernet adapter, both available starting now.